I am back to do another video for you guys. Hey, and I'm Kel, because I forgot my name. Okay, here we go. I just got this wig, and so this is a headband wig from Yolami Hair. She is 12 inches. She cute or whatever. So, here's her insides. She has the two combs on the side. The comb, the band in the back with the Velcro strip. And then she has one small comb in the back, as you guys can see right there. And she's a normal look headband wig. So, I'm going to try to go ahead and put this on so you guys can see what she looks like. Hopefully I like her because she's a little bit shorter than all the other ones I've had. So hopefully she look good. So I'm going to go ahead and blow dry her out and flat iron her, and I'll be right back. You guys, I am back with the headband wig by Yolami Hair. Thank you so much, Yolami Hair, for bearing with me. It took me a minute to pop this one out, but this is her, and I think she is so cute. Once I flat ironed her and I pushed her back a little bit more, I left my two braids out. I thought that'd be cute to have my little twist up there. So it's really cute, and I really like it. As you can see, it came with this little emoji headband, which I love. I really do love that. It also came with this cute little, it's like a rose gold pinky leopard one. That's really cute too. I'm excited for this one, y'all. This is cute. This one is it, y'all. This one's it. I really like this one. So thank you so much, Yolami Hair. It was easy, and because it's so short, you can't really do a lot of styles with it. You can try, like if you wanted to do a half up, half down style, I guess you could. If you wanted to leave your hair out, of course you could. It's a headband wig, half wig. So you can. But me and my 4C hair today won't be doing that. But I do think it's cute, and I'm loving this little emoji headband. Like, I am really loving that. I just think this is so cute. And the fact that it came with two headbands, and it also came with wig caps, and I used them both. So this is a quick little video because it's easy. She's 12 inches. You do have to wash her and flat iron her stuff. I did wash her. That's why I said I already took her out the box and all that stuff, because I had already took her out the box. I washed her. I did all of that stuff, and then of course I took my flat iron, my Duvolle, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, my Duvolle flat iron. This is her. She did a really good job, and I also used my straightener too, but that was at first. Once I realized I had that brand new shiny flat iron. So this flat iron was sent to me, you guys, by Duvolle. I do have a coupon code for this here wig. I mean, for this here flat iron. This flat iron was really good, and it did what it was supposed to do. It got this here straight. You know what I'm saying? It did it. I was like, whoo, I got me a good flat iron now. So I will be leaving my code if you guys would like to buy a Duvolle. I want to say it's Duvolle. I know I'm pronouncing this wrong and I'm sorry. But yes, Duvolle sent me that flat iron and I am in love with it. I do have a coupon code. I will be putting that probably in the video somewhere here. Also be putting it down in the description box so you can see where I got the wig at, and you can also purchase the flat iron. I thank you so much to both of those companies for, of course, sending me a wig. Sending me a wig, sending me a flat iron to do the wig. I am very grateful for both of you. Thank you so much. And that is it. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you like the wig or if you don't like the wig, go ahead and tell me in the comment section and we can talk about it. Go ahead and share my videos with all of your wig loving friends. And of course, subscribe to me. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.